Have you ever found yourself stuck in an endless loop of "I'll do it later"? Trust me, you're not alone. Procrastination isn't just about laziness, it's actually a complicated habit that messes with our goals, it messes with our visions, it messes with our peace of mind. Let me just share the story with you. So there's this friend of mine, his name is Ryan. And Ryan had dreams, big dreams this year, 2025. He wanted to write a book. He also wanted to start a side hustle, and he also planned to be fit this year. I think to lose about 25 kg this year. So, but guess what? Every day he finds himself scrolling on the phone, binge watching shows instead. He felt guilty, frustrated, and stuck. Then one day, Ryan realized procrastination wasn't his enemy. It was rather a signal that shows something deeper was actually going wrong. I want you to understand something today. Procrastination often hides fears. It could be fear of failure, fear of not being perfect, or even fear of success for some people, yeah. So here's how to break free from procrastination in 4 simple steps. Number 1, break your goals down. When a task feels huge, it's normal for you to freeze. It's normal for you to feel scared about it. So instead of thinking I have to write an entire book, break it down into tiny pieces. Like I'll just have to write a paragraph every week. I'll have to write a paragraph, or every month I'll have to write a paragraph or so. So when the goal feels smaller, it feels doable. Rather than having it in larger chunks, just pick little bits and break it down into doable time frame. Trust me, it works. And number 2 is set a timer. This one is a game changer. You tell yourself that, okay, I'm going to work on this project in 20 minutes, and in 20 minutes I'll be done. You know what it does? You know that, okay, I'm going to start 5 p.m. and by 5:20 I'll be done. So you know that, okay, there is an end time for it. You don't feel scared about starting it. Knowing there is a time limit makes starting less scary. Is to be kind to yourself. You don't have to beat yourself up about it. Procrastination makes us feel bad, yes, which only makes it worse. Instead of saying I should be doing this, try saying stuff like I choose to work on this because it matters to me. That small change in language removes the pressure, it removes the guilt, and makes it easier for you to take action. And the last but not the least is to understand your why. And by why, I mean your purpose. Understand the reason why you want to do this, why you set out this goal initially. When motivation fades, remind yourself why this goal is important to you. Is it to feel healthier? Is it for more freedom? Is it for more money? To build more self-confidence? Keep your deeper reason in front and center. It creates a strong personal why, and that pulls you even when you feel like, okay, I'm done, I don't want to do it again. Whenever you remember your why, you keep going.